Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Giri. In this video, I would like to present the topic of complex sentence, focusing on adverb clause and adjective clause. I will explain their definition, function, differences, and provide several examples to make the concept clearer. So let's begin the presentation. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions like an adverb. It provides additional information about the time, reason, purpose, condition, contrast, or manner of an action in the main clause. An adverb clause always contains a subject and a verb, and it begins with a subordinating conjunction such as when, because, although, if, or after. Although it cannot stand alone, it adds important details that help clarify how, when, or why an action happens. So next, differences between subordinating conjunction. Section 1, after and once or as soon as. After explain that one action happens later than another, whereas on or as soon as indicate that something happens immediately after a previous action. Example for after is after I finished my homework, I went to bed. Example for as soon as, I will call you as soon as I arrive. Section 2, when and whenever. When refers to a specific moment something occurs, whereas whenever refers to any time the condition happens repeatedly. For example, when I feel happy when I see my friend. For example, whenever it rains, the street get flooded. Section 3, when and by the time. When shows an action happening at the same moment, whereas by the time indicate that something has already been completed earlier. For example, when, call me when you get home. For example, by the time I arrived, the movie had already started. So next, because and now that. Because gives a general reason for an action, whereas now that gives a reason based on the new or current situation. For example, because I stayed home because it was raining. For example, now that I have a car, I can travel more easily. So next, even though and even if. Even though express a real fact, whereas even if express a possibility or hypothetical situation. For example, even though he was tired, he continued working. For example, even if I will go jogging even if it rains. So next material and part B. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a dependent clause that describes or gives more information about a noun. It functions like an adjective, providing details that define, identify, or explain the noun it follows. Adjective clause begin with relative pronouns like who, whom, which, that, whose, or relative adverb like where, when, why. So next, function of relative pronouns and relative adverb. Relative pronouns have who. To refers to people or subject. So whom for refers to people, to object. which for refers to animals or things. That for refers to people, animals, or things. This is a general use. So last, whose for show possessions. Next, relative adverb. Relative adverb have a where for refers to a place, when for refers to at the time, why for refers to a reason. So next I will give for example relative pronouns. Relative pronouns who. The teacher who helped me was very kind. Whom. The woman whom I met yesterday is my neighbor. Which. The laptop which I bought last week is very fast. So that the movie that we watched was exciting. Last, in relative pronouns, example whose. The boy whose bike was stolen is looking for help. So next, relative adverb where. This is the beach where we spend our vacation. When. 2019 was the year when I graduated. So why? I don't know the reason why she left early. So next, for essential and non-essential clause. An essential clause provides information that is necessary to identify the noun being described. A non-essential clause provides extra information that is not needed to identify the noun. It simply adds the title. Example sentence for each essential clauses and non-essential clause. Essential clause, the student who study hard always success. The book that you recommended is very helpful. So example for non-essential clause, my sister who lives in Singapore is coming home next month. The museum, which was renovated last year, attract many visitors. Okay, thank you. That concludes my presentation on adverb clause and adjective clause in complex sentence. I hope the explanation and explains have helped you understand this concept more clearly. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.